In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the privacy settings for your contact information like email or phone number in Facebook. So start off by clicking edit profile, then scroll all the way down until you see edit your about info. Now here you'll scroll down, okay, contact info. So here it says, as you can see, only me. So only me can see the contact information. So click here and click sharing with to adjust this. Now if you wanna put it with friends or public, you could adjust it to as you like. Then you click save, and then you can just go back. And just like that, this is how you adjust your privacy settings. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.